Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get coins on the Boo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Boo application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Boo? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Boo and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to get coins on the Boo app. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on the three horizontal lines and that's going to open up your account or your profile settings. So this is it. So in this window, you have profile, you have edit profile, and you have my coins, you have power ups, you have notifications, saved post, personalities, personality database, you have settings. So go ahead and click on my icons. And once you click on my coins rather, it takes you right into this window. It says unlock power ups, send DMs, and however, but there where you have get coins. Now you can click on get coins over here to buy coins. So you can check all of these rates to select any of the packages that you want and click on this continue button. That way you'll be able to buy a coin. Another way to get coins is actually share to social media. So share to social media and get 100 coins. So click on the share button for you to share to social media. Another way to get coins is to rate the app. So if you rate the app, you're going to get 250 coins. So click on rates for you to rate the app. Another way is onboarding. How do you hear about us? So click on this inform for you to onboard and you get 50 coins. And then daily login for 1 week gets 50 coins. You earn 50 coins for that. Of course, unlimited. Watch ads and you have 5 coins. Invite friends and you have 1,000 coins. Successful user report, you have 50 coins. Reporting correct translations, you have submit, that you have 25 coins. And daily love reward, 1, you have all of this, there's hearts, and of course, first to comment on the celebrity or fictional character's personality, you earn 5 coins. Verify photos, 200 coins. Write a bio, 50 coins. A lot of things that you can do to earn coins, down to post in 2 dimensions, which gives you 100 coins. So this is how you can get coins in Boo app. Just follow through this process by clicking on the buttons right next to them for you to get the coins. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.